I prepared this soup because our family Hausa friend was about to visit us. I know very well that he is going to fall in love with it. Hello, nice to meet you. My name is Lina and welcome to my kitchen. We are making Tuo soup or Ayoyo soup or Tuo soup, anyhow that you will call this. You are good to go. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. I have my beef meat, I have some goat intestine, I have some tripe, I have a lot of meat. Okay. I've added my pepper, ginger, garlic, onion. I blended. I've added some beef seasoning. I added paprika, my black pepper, rosemary. I'll add my parsley and then my basil. I can't prepare food without those herbs. I've added my salt. I will put it on fire and then we work on the ayoyo. Hello, if today is the first time here, you are welcome. Can you please click on the follow button for more videos? Do you know what? It is actually free. No libi no laba. So please follow for more videos and share to others. Thank you, my returning followers. I do appreciate your time here. Now our ayoyo is ready. I washed it very well and then I'm going to put this on fire. We are not going to overcook it. Okay, you can use this to pound it, but I know very well that someone is going to ask me, so if I don't have that, I'm not going to prepare my ayoyo soup. Oh, you can. So I'm going to teach you the other way. I boiled this for 3 minutes on a very lower heat and blended it. So that is what you are seeing in the pot. I'll go ahead and add my stock. So we did not add the meat, we used only the stock, and we used the meat for our Tuo stew. Okay, if you've not watched that video, please check it out here and you will love that. I've added my dry powdered shrimps. I'll go ahead and stir it very well. You know, Tuo soup without Dawadawa is not soup. Don't mind me, okay, but it adds some taste and flavor to the soup. So I'll go ahead and add my Dawadawa. You can add any quantity, okay? It is not going to destroy anything and it is not going to destroy your health. Okay, I'll give it a stir and then wait for a while. Now I've added my fish powder and then I'll stir it. The next thing we are going to add is our salt, and this is so easy to prepare. So the fish powder and the shrimps powder made it very nice and added some taste to it. Try that if you haven't tried that before. Okay, now let's wait for a while. And this soup, oh my goodness, my Hausa friend enjoyed it. He know himself, he is watching. I'm adding more of the Dawadawa. Oh my goodness, I love Dawadawa. We waited for just 2 minutes and our soup is ready. Thank you so much for watching, and please do not forget to share to others. We paired this with our Tuo and it was so delicious. See you in the next video. I love you. Bye.